I suggest leaving behind the monotonous routine of the services where you often spend your time and start exploring a pirate-themed place with a collection of microservices and full-fledged applications. This is the application ecosystem by the PirateCash project, whose team of developers emphasizes security and anonymity in their products, placing your freedom and online safety above all else. PirateCash offers staking pools, a native coin, a wallet, a DEX, and the Pirate Place services, which we will discuss in more detail. Currently, there are 4 available services, with the promise of 3 more being launched soon. Let's delve into each of them and explore their uniqueness and why they are of interest to us. Treasure Island. This service allows you to track currency trends on Pirate Place. Visualize cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other top ones. The interface is designed with an authentic pirate theme. When we visit the website, we can see a treasure map on the pirate. The coins that reflect the market are displayed. You can open the filter and customize the display according to your specific query. By clicking on any coin, its card opens, showing the coin's name, price in dollars, market cap, and 24-hour trading volume. You can also switch between standard line or ship view for the display. Additionally, you can save the coin to your watchlist or add it to your portfolio, which we'll discuss shortly because there's more to talk about. In addition to the graphical display, we can click the button below and a separate page of the selected coin opens, where you can view detailed information, charts, and everything you need to know for basic analysis: price, market cap, 24-hour trading vol, circulating supply, total supply, max supply, fully diluted valuation, website, explorers, community, tags. Additionally, there is a convenient converter right on the page, providing real-time information and overall statistics over time. From the same page, you can add the coin to your portfolio and watchlist. It's great that these 2 services are connected because on the map, we can specifically display our portfolio from the portfolio section. And here's why this portfolio is interesting and unique: anonymity and security. The service doesn't store data on its server, it's only stored on your computer. This means that only you have access to this information, and no one else. Without registration, in complete privacy, you can observe how your assets change without worrying about leaked information, without linking this information to your email, IP address, etc. You save the portfolio as a file on your computer. You can specify the following in your portfolio: when and in which currency you purchased the asset, when you sold it and at what price, how you acquired it, through purchase, airdrop, or another method. Staying on the topic of anonymity and privacy, let me tell you about the second interesting service called Notes. You may have seen similar services before, but without the ability for multiple readings and file storage. That's what makes this service unique and interesting. Another equally interesting third service allows anyone to place anything by purchasing pixels on a huge online canvas. Some people publish referral links in the form of QR codes, while others add additional dots to prevent QR scanners from recognizing them. The project, created by the PirateCash dev team group of developers, inspired the team to create the large-scale multiplayer project Satoshi's Place. However, users of the Satoshi's project were limited in the color palette and the ability to upload ready-made images, whereas in Pirate Art this is allowed. In addition, Satoshi's Place has problems with the complexity of setting up the Lightning Network protocol for payments and the high cost of Bitcoin, as well as the use of only one currency, Bitcoin. In the case of pirates, payment is available through the PirateCash ecosystem, and as promised by the team, the ability to use payment instruments such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Dash, and Zcash will be expanded in the future. The other applications are promised to be released later this year, including CryptoLUNGGOLIERS, a virtual meta-universe of Langoliers, greedy cryptocurrency eaters. Currently, this game is in active development. Sea Battles, a multiplayer online strategy game. PirateCash wallet, a lightweight wallet with the ability to manage PirateCash assets. Integration with the referral program at PirateCash bot. You can learn more about the entire ecosystem and its capabilities on the project's website. I believe that you should definitely try these services because each of them has its own unique features that sets them apart from competitors. They are more convenient, secure, and anonymous. You will find all the links in the description below this video. Share your feedback in the comments. I would be happy